Sexy.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things.
Brother, ano ang naging preparasyon mo leading towards to today?
Hello everyone, this is my first time to join this kind of party. I don't have preparation. Kasi sali ka dito para mag-screen. Ito na ako, I'm so grateful to join this kind of party. Maraming tao nanonood at maraming salamat sa mga.
Good luck to you, brother. Tanong ko lang, ano nangyari dito?
Yun, sa mga hindi nakalam, open na pala sa puso. Bypass ko.
Siyempre natin, God of course, you're still alive here today. Heart number 4, Alexis Benalia! Daming fans dun sa taas, no? Congratulations to you, and of course, thank God for your successful operation. Don't forget this Devil's Burger sa Montalban. Sasama